너무 맛있다. So delicious.好吃. Hello everybody. Welcome to Babsi Home Cooking channel. Today I will cook potato casserole. Do you know this potato casserole is a Middle Europe original home cooking? Really, this is original home cooking. You cannot eat any restaurant, cannot eat. So I have many friends in Europe, and one of my grandmother friend told me many different kinds of original home cooking. Do you know? So today I will cook potato casserole. I will introduce the ingredients. We need so many ingredients, you know. So this is all prepared, need many times, you know. And now I will introduce the ingredients: sour cream and bacon, sausage, egg, and potato and cooking oil. This is already I prepared all. Now let's make. Okay, first we put a little bit oil. Little bit oil, yeah, like that. When you boil it will be very beautiful. And the first we put potato. You know this potato, we cook potato. After cook, this we all cut. Because if this together doing need a lot of time. It's really many need time. But it's very much this fantastic, this taste. When I cook potato, I little bit put the salt, so no need to put salt. I like a potato very much, a little bit brown potato, so put aside here. Yes, and we put this bacon. When we prepare really many different kinds of ingredients, it's need many times, a lot of time spent. One layer like that, and we put the egg. Nice. Lily, look at here. Huh? So nice, Lily. Huh? Nice. Very nice, Lily. Yes. And then we put sausage. This sausage from Poland. Special. They say this Poland sausage is very delicious. Polish. My grandmother friend, when she told me, it's very beautiful. Me, not so beautiful make. Okay, and then we put the sour cream. In Korea, when we looking for sour cream, it's very difficult to find. Very difficult. Nice. You know, if this dish, if you use a little bit deep, and then you can make a many layer, this one. But this is very much not so high, so only we make a one layer. Very nice. Really want to eat, huh? Hey. Okay, let's put in the oven. Very heavy. And we waiting about 40 minutes. 40 minutes later, we will take out. This sour cream on the top, little bit have a brownish. Wow, it's fantastic. Really, really nice. You know this oil, this boiled here, it's really finished, you know. Oh, very nice. Really fantastic. This is a Middle European home cooking. You cannot eat anywhere in the restaurant, only homemade. Ready? Looks so delicious. I did also salad. Wow, looks so delicious. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for visiting my channel. Thank you.